But the son say ya said their trip to Anchrophobica. Now Bronsama Bubon Crophobi pass at the papa be a best Ghana, Ama Ghana, con and him almost someone timbre tritino. Yes, sorry, at near Checambra near the ABC and him. Now a tro propaganda, the nim near Beck near the Ada Ghana, Bebuno Asabi, and free education or Piljan and me, actually ye quank a bit to me the next year. Now Cobono. But media, they be a mecassa me bar. Ya the no crano, and a better baby as an Ukrainian day. Edda. Now, Tia. Bayer, Mamma Fanny say, Bayer 4 days near. Enna, Mahunu say, Yen Yanoma from NDC for no. Omo ye party beer. Say a banner say, Omonko Candia, Omu bet me I actually Ghana for a yenibi. Now, remember example. 2008. They never told Ghanaians what they were going to do for Ghanaians if they come to power. 2008 was when President Kuffour was done with his term. Sanka NDC for Beka China, the Omobede, the Omobeye. Yakofa BB, I see a friend 110 premium 2012 by Yentumia, Feno Cotton Chain. 2008, this is how NDC won their election, just like they are doing. Oh, MPP, iPhone 9 Chrome 4. We are buying sika, for buying say, ye say. So what they did in 2008, the formula hasn't changed. Ghana for the winner kokase we are there, we are crom for penny, we are corrupt here. Yen in every 20 actually. Because Obia person didn't failure at to a buying to say, hey, I buy na. Yes, Sana Ghana system na koye. Obia or then failure bedding Everton so. It is a yedinico school crown on where jay ye so bet your truck. At the say or no life wa. The life now say no, young fan shall bind, my young fan share or no individual now when taking responsibility for no one. And all is because of the doctrines of NDC. They always makes you feel helpless to your own self. Say, one casa de won't me wow. Now suye, we dear ubi bia esha bemu. Arahu seme woman say, one more person will be biasha bemu, so more bemua. Niamana almost yes democratic for Elsanki a yananka ordinary citizen no tono and also a omonye. And until 2008, Messiah Kaimo. One must start say Kuffour appointees a Kowiska and Omutibe Kuffour and Omutibe Kuffour Maso and a Kuffour Makoto Hotel and a Kuffour Koto Hotel and a Kuffour Koto say and a Kuffour who feed Jato Mawaha and a Kuffour no Bawi Akoda, Kuffour no Bawi Aquanium. That is the campaign message they did. Because they saw, said, things like that resonate with Ghanaians more. Because you could say, my GDP, GDP is in the day. Okokasi ebema unemployment akos from one kakra bi na better unemployment na say. But so okokasi yes Kuffour do we ska yenya campaign message. And that is how NDC has been. And into 2008, they were not mepe obi to me akai one thing at 2008. Eya Mills ne mahama ba no mo ka say omobeye. The only thing omube jina o kan ya said the populist thing. Yeah ba, yeah bet so do ba metu do boom 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 the amamo ya me papa Tameres Central region this year. Asem o kan ya no. Na Sanka Ghana for enye Mr. Mahama Panie no short memory no they are warrior now. Uncle Biabe said the American no because around the time we were expecting NDC to give us policies omoba directing no omokofa tete way of doing politics. Ya to krezimu ye ba ye better krezin so. Ya to dokunumu ye ba ye better dokuno so. Ya to electricity mu ye ba ye better so no. That is what they saw say resonate with people. And to who say answer na will be befre brochire say one will be a business no. Ya one year maybe a friend of macroeconomic indicators are or might be as a would engineer year investors and bow. They will not come and tell you say answer na you bet me be a juma. Say broni be befre nisika say me could be a company wo Ghana no. So ye be a friend of feasibility studies. Now to me who say adia na wode ba ukrobo no aso ode ba e be sustain NDC phone nim sa. NDC for the yen say there be yan konko ya den yan konko to tetade animu ne yan kan tro mo say ya to we mu we bu akosoro we bu akosei eno nko ane ade a sebi NDC for started say omo the year campaign na mama yan hwa ade bi o. Hey guys, stop. Could someone grab it from there? What's wrong with you people, man? Sorry, oh. You see, I'm buying now. Sorry. Pacho, sorry. You know, NDC for 2008, they use the process of say yeah man Kuffour he and Kuffour time was system no more. Now, what that does, and they say, you are not enlightening the people to know the things that develops a country. Because yeah, no first you could read the budget here. Sebi the ane ya say yeah crazy mu, yeah kotu petromu, yeah kotu niamemu. That was the only thing that we kind of had in mind whenever they talked about reading of budget. But this is the first time in Ghana's history we are actually reading the budget based on real substance, based on real materials that would actually get things going. This is the first time I hear read the budget here. I buy in about the catching of the year last year. Any baby I went to. Osha budget here, reading of the abandoned the Kunina, they be on bar. It is one thing, no deba. Oh, the like the company and I said the country needs money. You know, we are going to tax Kayayo. We are going to tax say. We are going to tax say. Those were the only things that we were used to. And she say, yeah, and what a buying and or person was saying, we are usually not prone to that. And also we are usually not giving that kind of information. And I am one say obi to one us or person or compare a buying menu. Na okofa sebi Kuffour do a buying way. Na okofa Mahama dear de be compare. Now sometimes I am metwa na muebi yeden because for the first time we have a government for the 6 years I have a power. Yemba home major supplementary budget that no. Debbie. This is the first time I buy Ghana. And I will say this with joy. Say on Conco reading the budget and can say uhia supplementary budget. Me pe NDC ni pa ba and say 2017 NPP for supplementary budget. 2018, 2019, 2020, even in Corona. Even in Corona. The only thing we had to do was to create CI-90 5 or something like that. That was used to give the president the powers to set certain rules. Some constitutional instrument, man is spending a little bit than that, you know. Yet we never went to anywhere to go and read our budget and make them we come again and say give us a complementary budget. But NDC are buying no. Ya dear we ya me page so every year, and I mean every year from 2012 to 2016, a complementary budget. That was why I was surprised to say Mr. Mahama was stand in front of everybody during the crossroad and say they were able to solve Ghana's problem, and I said they were able to take care of Ghana without going outside to borrow, which was a lie. How are you telling me, say, you are under a credit